Hello, this is Pete Bussey with LNS Research, where I head up the Connected Worker Research Program. One of the biggest trends we're seeing today among industrial organizations is digital transformation. Yes, companies are relying on digital transformation in order to get and keep a competitive edge. Our research shows that it's becoming more and more common for the frontline workforce to be directly incorporated into these industrial transformation programs. In fact, 2/3 of companies have already started investing in digital connected worker technologies. So let's take a look at why the connected workforce has become so strategic, why it's an imperative for every industrial organization today. Several interrelated trends are changing the industrial workforce and driving connected worker initiatives. First, an aging industrial workforce is retiring at record rates, taking with them a large body of skills, experience, and knowledge. Second, the rapid introduction of digital technologies such as the industrial Internet of Things, automation systems, and robotics is fundamentally changing the competencies needed by the frontline workforce. And third, the next generation workforce are digital natives with new expectations and attitudes regarding technology and even work in general. This combination has caused an industry-wide skills gap, with companies hard-pressed to recruit, train, and retain a workforce with the right competencies in a hyper-dynamic operating environment. To be competitive, industrial organizations must have a strategic approach that recognizes both the risks and opportunities presented by these trends. This includes rethinking how frontline workers are engaged and empowered to execute their jobs, and how a digitally connected workforce can enable much-needed operational agility. The first wave of industrial transformation initiatives mainly focused on using asset-related data from connected operations to improve core operational areas, things like asset reliability, equipment productivity, energy use, product quality, and so forth. Now, companies are taking a much broader view that digitally incorporates people into frontline operations. A basic level of connected worker capability comes from enabling the workforce with mobile devices and apps so that they can look up information and input data. For example, looking up work instructions or entering inspection data. But the real game changer here, beyond mobile, is using the digital technologies and innovations of Industry 4.0 to expand the range of connected worker use cases and the benefits that are possible. So let's look at these innovations and see how they're enabling new connected worker solutions. Frontline workers have always been at the heart of industrial operations, operating and maintaining equipment, troubleshooting production problems, servicing products in the field, and so forth. Connected worker technologies can revolutionize this work with greater integration between people and systems across operations and extending capabilities to wherever work is performed. This empowers frontline workers with better information and insights for decision support. A wide range of digital technologies can be used to enable connected worker use cases. The key criterion is that the degree of connectivity between workers and one or more elements of the operational management system is increased, and that happens in a way that facilitates the multi-directional flow of data, information, insights, and actions. Technologies such as augmented reality, sensor-equipped wearables, proximity beacons, geolocation, multi-hazard sensors, and many others provide systematic, real-time monitoring of worker and workplace conditions and give immediate feedback to improve productivity, safety, and quality. Connected worker application platforms enable cross-functional collaboration and better work execution. And of great potential value, the application of advanced analytics, including artificial intelligence, to human workplace interaction data allows for the discovery of new insights to guide operational performance improvement efforts. In terms of business value, connected worker investments show great potential. Our research identified the top 30% of companies that are getting real value from their industrial transformation investments, which we term the leaders. When we look at adoption of specific technologies, our data shows that leaders are much more likely to deploy connected worker enabling technology than all others. For example, leaders are between 70 and 154% more likely to implement augmented reality, intelligent wearables, industrial Internet of Things platforms, and advanced analytic solutions, including machine learning and artificial intelligence. So, to sum it up, we're seeing many more connected worker initiatives across a variety of industry sectors, especially to help address workforce competency challenges. Some of the use cases we see getting quite a bit of traction are remote expert access, guided procedures, in-context training, and mobile application strategies. Adoption of technologies such as augmented reality, wearables, and connected worker application platforms is definitely accelerating and directly contributing to industrial transformation success. No doubt, there's an attractive opportunity for industrial organizations to incorporate connected worker initiatives into their industrial transformation programs, and a lot of upside potential from doing so.